Hi guys, in this video, we will learn and understand what is cross-merchandising in retail. Retailing refers to the concept of selling merchandise in small quantities to the customer for their end use. According to retailing, the individual can walk up to any retail store and purchase product as per his need and affordability in small units for his own consumption. This is called retail. The display of merchandise at the store plays an important role in attracting the customer into the store. The display of product at the retail store helps in influencing the buying behavior of the consumers. The display and presentation of the product is very important and essential to create a first impression in the minds of customer. So here, cross merchandising becomes a very essential parameter. So now let us learn what is cross merchandising. Cross merchandising refers to display of opposite and unrelated products together to earn additional revenue for the store. Products from different categories are kept together at one place for the customers to find a relation among them and pick up all. According to cross merchandising, unrelated products are displayed together. The retailer makes profit by linking products which are not related in any sense and belong to different categories. Cross merchandising helps the customer to know about the various options which would complement their product purchase. Also, cross merchandising makes shopping a pleasurable experience as it saves customer precious time in finding the additional or desired products. So now let us see the example of cross merchandising. Displaying of mobile covers and screen guard next to the mobile phone will help us in creating additional revenue. Second example is displaying of sound bars or speakers in the TV section. Third example is display of printers and laptop accessories in the laptop section helps the customer to find the related products. The customer at the first instance cannot really decide what all he needs apart from the product he has already purchased. Through cross-merchandising, the retailer smartly tries his level best to convince the customer to buy additional products apart from the existing list. Suppose if a customer is going to a nearby departmental store to purchase the cigarette, he spots chewing gums displayed along with the cigarettes. He immediately decides to purchase the chewing gum along with the cigarettes, which he might need after smoking. Thus, cross-merchandising, which is display of cigarettes along with the chewing gum, made the customer realize connection between the product and eventually pick the both. Now, let us understand what are the important tips of cross-merchandising. The opposite product should be sensibly displayed for the customer to be able to relate them. The merchandise should be neatly arranged without giving a cluttered look. The merchandise must complement each other to create a desired impact. The retailer must make sure the products have some logical connection with each other. Displaying neckties with laptops would make no sense and will fail to excite the customer. The customer will not purchase either of them. However, if the laptop bags are kept with laptop, there are chances that the customer might pick both of the product. Use hangers, pegs, mannequins, or suitable fixture to intelligently display the unrelated goods and prompt the customer to pick all of them. So friends, that's all in today's video. So if you have found this video useful, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.